Hello guys and welcome back to Yuvan's Tech Tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to fix this site cannot be reached Google Chrome. If you are experiencing this site cannot be reached error in the Google Chrome browser on your phone, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot this issue. Here is a tutorial on how to fix it. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure that your phone has an active and stable internet connection. This error often occurs when there is a problem with your network connection. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can help resolve temporary glitches in your network setting. Check the website URL. Make sure you have entered the correct URL. After that, clear Chrome cache and cookies. For that, open a phone setting. Scroll down and tap on apps. In apps, you can see here manage apps. Tap on it and search for Chrome and tap on it. In app info of Chrome, tap on storage. In the bottom you can see here clear data. Tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. Check date and time setting. Incorrect date and time setting can sometimes cause SSL errors. Ensure that your phone's date and time are set correctly. After that, if you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it to see if it is causing the issue. Update Chrome browser. For that, open Google Play Store and search for Chrome. Tap on it. If any update option is available, tap on update. Make sure you have the latest version of the Chrome browser installed on your phone. Outdated versions may have compatibility issues. In the address bar, try entering the website using HTTP instead of HTTPS. If none of the above steps work, there may be an issue with your internet connection. Contact your ISP for assistance. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.